If your pergola canopy is looking all moldy or mildewed, you gotta act fast to keep it fresh and chill. So, first off, cleaning that canopy regularly is key, like every couple of weeks if you're in a damp spot. Use a gentle soap mixed with water and a soft brush or cloth, nothing too harsh that'll mess up the fabric. If you spot any mildew spots, a mix of vinegar and water does wonders without being too crazy on the material. Make sure you rinse it well so no soap residue sticks around to cause more problems. Dry it out completely before packing it away or closing it up, because moisture hanging around is just asking for mold to crash the party again. And hey, when you're picking a canopy, try to go for mildew-resistant fabric. That stuff really cuts down on the hassle. Also, keep your pergola area well ventilated and trimmed back from overhanging trees or plants that drip water and dump leaves. One of the biggest mistakes people make is ignoring regular maintenance, which lets mold and mildew get out of control. To fix this by setting a cleaning schedule so you don't forget. Another common problem is using harsh chemicals or bleach, which can ruin your canopy fabric really fast. Instead, stick with gentle cleaners like diluted vinegar or specialized outdoor fabric cleaners. Lastly, folks often pack away their canopy while it's still damp or wet, which totally invites mildew back. Always let it dry fully before storing or closing it up. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners trying to find trustworthy local contractors who know their way around outdoor spaces like pergolas. Plus, it's a solid platform for contractors looking to connect with homeowners who need their skills for projects big or small.